Duolingo, DUOL, is catching strong attention across trading forums and social media, with an aggressive wave of bullish sentiment dominating the conversation. Many retail traders are eyeing a potential short squeeze that could propel the stock toward or even beyond its all time highs. The mood is highly energized, with posts rallying fellow Degens to eat the dip and pile in for the next leg higher. Beyond the hype driven push, some investors are taking a more analytical angle, examining how Duolingo's integration of AI could reshape its platform, boost user engagement, and enhance monetization. The discussion often touches on competitive risks from emerging language learning models, but the prevailing tone remains optimistic, with the belief that Duolingo's brand recognition and gamified approach will keep it ahead. Market watchers are also noting the stock's relatively high short interest and recent price action, suggesting a setup that could fuel a sharp upside move if momentum builds. This blend of community driven enthusiasm, speculative short squeeze potential, and fundamental growth narratives is making DUOL one of the more talked about names in the current trading cycle.
Okay, so the underlying trend is a bullish one. Its 200-day moving average is sloping bullishly upwards. We can see that it got a rejection at its 40-day moving average on Thursday the 7th. However, the extrapolation is saying that we are going to see a bounce from the 200-day moving average. So it's just been bouncing between it's just been trading, if you like, between the 40-day and the 200-day moving averages. If you like, between Thursday the 7th and Friday the 8th of August. So the argos are saying that it's going to bounce on Monday and then cycle again. So it means, if you like, a consolidation of this expansion that began on Wednesday the 6th. It's actually saying it's going to contract up till Tuesday the 12th, and then the uptrend may resume. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. If anything, okay, we're gonna have a look, and we'll replay its daily chart to see how accurate it's the extrapolations of the stock is. So outside that, we have extrapolations of 485.75, 490. What do you have? 490.38, 498.34, 511.22. So, based on these price pressure momentum indications, the stock is not out of the woods yet. If you want to buy the stock, I would not, technically, I would not advise you that it's time yet. It doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy, but things have not improved yet. Should just, this is just based on this. You should just give it more time, somewhere, at least, if anything, if you're really in a hurry, this price pressure momentum one is the price pressure of its 10-day moving average. It measures its angle of attack. Obviously, as you can imagine, angle of attack is the inclined the angle at which the moving average is rising. So if it's the higher it is, the higher the angle, the of course you can imagine that the pressure, it means the pressure is high. So the trend mode is from 0.25. Right now it's maintaining the trend. It's maintaining the bullish trend that has picked up. It's maintaining it, but it's not trending yet. Not it hasn't it's still in the woods. It's still in the woods. So it doesn't mean that people have already started making money from the lows. Obviously, you can see that, but it's advisable to get in from when it gets to 0.25. As a matter of fact, it's actually when the 21 period moving average gets to 0.225. But you could decide to make it the 10-day moving average. So technically, it doesn't look. People are buying already, but I'm just saying technically it's not there yet. But doesn't mean you shouldn't buy, and it's also meaning that this also doesn't mean that you should buy. So I'm just stating what is there technically. Okay, so we could try and, as I indicated, try and replay to see how sensitive the stock is, to just give us an impression. We could just quickly find out, if there's any chance that at least by Thursday, the 14th of August, that we are going to have, we will, the certainty, the causery certainty, a causery probability that the stock is going to play out just as the extrapolation is saying. So let's do a replay now. Okay, let's go back to June the 1st. Okay, let's put it back so that we can see what's playing out. So we are just going to see how you can see what's going on. We want to see if the stock traced this extrapolation and traced, obviously it may not, but we just want to see how accurate, how far it goes in tracing these extrapolations. So we'll keep this with speed at 1x. So here we go now. Okay. Is it going to go up? No. Will it go up? No. Didn't go up. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So I think I would say to just be on the strict side, I would say 30%. 30%. I think I don't think it can. I don't think we can rely on it up till Tuesday. Maybe Monday. Maybe maybe Monday it might do this. Or just okay. Let's just say Tuesday. Maybe just to be a lot more lenient. Maybe up to Tuesday. Maybe up to two data points, two extrapolation points. Yeah, sometimes you clearly saw that it works well. I think it depends. Sometimes maybe it may be. It varies for various stocks. We've tested it on. We've replayed on SMCI. I think it was up to 50%. In fact, towards recent dates, it was actually, I would say, even up to 60%. So in this case, I think it's maybe up to Tuesday. It may just be accurate based on what we have already seen. It's a mix of things. Maybe in some cases it works better when where downtrends are extrapolated. But maybe not uptrends. Yeah, so we just see how it goes. The stock was trending earlier on, so jump in there and see what you make of the stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.